I'm Louiege Bascog and I'm 32 years old. Just recently won Open Bodybuilding IFBB PRO and Classic Physique IFBB PRO card. It started when my brother came back. It started from when my brother came back from, he's in the military, so he's in the service. He came back for a vacation and he starts working out and asked me if I want to work out with him. And I started working out, and then next thing you know, when he left, I was doing it by myself, working out, and next thing you know, I see some results and people like noticing it, and they start asking me if I'm competing or I should compete. So next thing I know, I'm on stage competing, first show. I think it was 2016 was my first show, and I didn't do too good, but we pulled through, and we are where we at now. Yeah, it's 2014. I think I started working out at 2014 when my brother came back, and 2 years working out, and then 2016 I stepped on stage. Really, when I'm on prep, I'm really thankful. I mean, my wife like stepped up. I mean, he take care of the kids, cook my meals. Because when it gets down to like really close on competition day, that's when my energy goes down. I don't want to do anything. I don't even want to go to work. I didn't even want to go out of bed. But I'm really thankful. I mean, she always there, encouraged me. She always pushed me, and she always say I'm gonna win it, and I always believe that I'm gonna win it. So it's always a team effort. We got four. 2 boys, 2 girls. I got 2 and 5, 7 and 9. I don't know, that's funny because when we were in Arizona in the hotel before the show or the day, my oldest daughter texted me. She's 9 years old. She texted me and she said, "Good luck, I love you." And that really get me. And my younger son, I'm pretty sure he's gonna follow my footsteps because he's always flexing, working out, making these weights. He makes his own weights and then start curling, bicep curls, push-ups. Same thing with my younger daughter. I don't know, but 2 of them will be probably on stage here when they grow up, but I'm here for them. Oh, it's a cardboard box and those empty rolls for the hand towels. So he put it in the middle and start curling it. So it's funny. Now there's 2 different things, because when I'm off season, I'm trying to focus more on the family side, and then when I'm prepping, I'm trying to do like 60-40 for the 40 for the family and 60 on the prep side, because I don't want to go on stage and not. Why would I go up on stage when I'm not even ready? I want to be in there, compete and focus and trying to win. So I'm trying to balance it out when I'm off season, because when I prep, it's only like 3 months and 3 or 4 months, and then when I'm off season, trying to focus more on the family side, go out, eat. Ooh, that's a lot. Cookies, especially chicken adobo or pork adobo when my mom cooks it. Filipino food, especially spaghetti. My wife, she cooks pretty good Filipino food. She got it from my mom, but yeah. From a friend, she introduced us, and then we met up in a CSI, and we talked, and then next thing you know, it's all butterflies from there. So here's the thing, people ask me how I feel winning IFBB Pro card, and for me, it feels the same way. I mean, I don't want to offend anybody, but it felt the same way when I first win my overall here in Boise in Idaho Cup. They felt the same way because I have those two winning, or it's just a part of my plan. I want to be in the Olympia, maybe win someday. That's my end goal. There's one thing that I really believe, visualize. Always visualize where you want to be in life, and or what in bodybuilding or wherever. Visualize where you want your body's gonna look like, because whatever your mind goes, your body follows. So visualization. For me, that's funny because it's the same thing when I work out. I look in the mirror and I see this little thing, like let's say, oh, I need to show this muscle group is pretty like lacking of mass or muscle. So I tend to focus more on that one and then look back in the mirror, maybe like a few weeks, a month or so. Oh, this muscle group is smaller. I'll improve it. And same thing with when I did my routine on my last show. My wife, the night before the show, my wife was giving me a hard time because I didn't practice like nothing. I didn't do anything of that. And then we start practicing like 5 minutes. I picked up the song. Well, my wife did pick up the song, and I mean, for me, if the music give me like moves, or it moves me, I can come up with something like real quick. So we practiced the night before the show for 5 minutes, my routine, and that's it. That's 5 minutes. Before, when I wasn't like lifting or whatever, like a normal person, it's like I'm not really confident. Like now, I'm really confident, and I intend to like help people more, help them reach their goals, and at the same time, because I'm really shy back then, but now I can talk to people, and I'm in a happy side of myself. So when I started, I don't really, because I thought nobody teach me anything. So I thought when you lift, go to the gym. I mean, you'll get what you saw, right? You rip what you saw, right? But the thing is, it all comes down to what you eat. So if you don't eat the right food, the right nutrients for your body goals, then you're not getting any results. So always, it's the muscle or the body that you want is behind the kitchen, not in the gym. Lean turkey, fish, chicken breast, rice, oatmeal, protein shakes. That's about it. Oh, right now, I'm trying to be diverse, trying to try different food. So before, on my off season last time, I just eat oatmeal, peanut butter, and protein powder. Right now, I'm eating 3 servings, like 120 grams of cereal, any kind of cereal. You can eat anything of cereal as long as you're off season. And 2 cups of almond milk, and one scoop of protein shake, and 1 bagel for my breakfast. My vitamins, I take them every day. Off season, prepping, that's gonna be my like the whole day, every day, all year round. You don't want to skip all your supplements. Same thing with pre-workout. I mean, pre-workout, sometimes I do high caffeine, and then next thing you know, I'll just do a pump pre-workout to get all those caffeine off my body. So your body get used to caffeine. So next thing you know, you keep moving up in the caffeine, and then it'll mess up your heart. So make sure you keep an eye on that. If you have a goal in life, I mean, don't let anybody or somebody or anything that stop you. I mean, take it from me. I mean, I never thought I'll be here getting interviewed, winning IFBB PRO card, I just follow my dream, and you make sure you have the right people, the right team. I mean, my wife, my coach, Jade, Stewart Nutrition. I mean, it's a good team I have, so that's it.